In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to easily change your Facebook profile picture without notifying anyone. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. Instead of using the Facebook app, I recommend opening the Facebook Messenger app, as this is the easiest way to change your profile picture discreetly. Once you are in the Messenger app, tap on the three lines icon in the top left corner. Next, tap on the gear icon next to your name to access the settings. Now tap on your profile picture and you'll have the option to either take a photo or select one from your library. I'll choose from library. Select any picture from your camera roll. For this example, I'll pick a random photo. You can crop the image as needed. Once you are satisfied with it, tap Done. A message will appear stating that your Facebook profile picture will also be updated, and this change will not be shared in the feed. To save the new profile picture, tap on the confirmation button. Now that it's saved, you can head over to the Facebook app to check if the change has taken effect. As you can see, I've successfully changed my profile picture without notifying anyone. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.